Today we're at the Travelodge Southshore in Blackpool, and this is a family room. As you can see, there's a double bed and a single bed. I'll check the bed and mattresses. And clean. No mattress toppers on these. Unusual. And then check the single one. See, there's mattress topper on there. And yeah, it looks quite stained actually for, yeah, as you can see. Hoping the camera picks that up, but yeah, as you can see, it's quite stained that. And got a bin and a fan. I'm on the ground floor, so as you can see, we're facing the car park. We've got plug sockets, a USB charger socket there. Got tea, coffee, and milks. Let's have a look at the kettle. The kettle looks clean. And we've got a mirror. Hi. Light works. And we've got bedside lights as well. So yeah, and USB charging there as well. Bed looks like it needs redoing there. Yeah, it looks like a pull-out mattress as well there. So I suppose if you've got more than one child. And then got another light there and another USBs. I was going to say. And then the backlight as well on the bed lights up. Got TV, chairs, nice comfy little chair there by the looks of it. Let's see if the TV works, shall we? Yeah. Yeah, that works. Then we've got storage heater by the looks of it. So yeah, full length mirror. And then we've got some coat hangers and storage, and looks like extra pillows there. And then let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? So I've got toilet, clean. Doesn't look like this has been cleaned. Tap, still got water stains all over it. Yeah. Yeah. And then got bath. Shower. So yeah, very clean shower head, as you can see. Just look clean. Or tap, should I say. Bath looks clean. Towel rail, handrail, foam hand wash. Yeah, I'm a bit confused there because that's actually says foam hand wash by the shower, bath, and then you got by the sink, hair and body wash. Yeah, I'm a bit confused there because shouldn't it be the other way around? You got a shaver's plug there as well, and you got some disposable bags and a bin. Clean toilet roll, coat hook get towels. So 2 towels and a little towel, and then you got a top me up thank you for if you need fresh towels. So yeah, so this is the Travelodge in Southshore. That's unusual as well, because normally they have a menu or what on here as well, but they haven't got one. So it's the first Travelodge I've been in that doesn't have a menu, and I've stayed at this one before as well, and they've had menus before. So yeah, so don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.